Hey there, Snug as a Hug here. It's been a couple of days and I just want to check on how the silicone is coming on our mermaid tail. Let's take a look.
Hi, this is sure gonna be a great movie.
Alrighty, so let's peel the plastic again. Again, remember this is the back part that we put 2 bottles of silicone on a couple of days ago. So let's flip it and peel the plastic and see how it goes. Okay, so the only spots that it's sticking to is kind of where the silicone oozed through from the other side. Which is a good thing, because I mean that's how it's sticking both sides together a little bit extra. So that's good. Oh, check that out! It totally flips and flops. You know, I have to see if it flips. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Hey there, welcome to April. It is a beautiful sunny day outside. It's minus 13 degrees, minus 22 with the wind chill. Let's work on our mermaid tail. Okay, so here we are with our mermaid tail. This is the bottom side. What I want to do is extend some of the silicone off the side of the rigid plastic a little bit, and encase all of that in silicone. So I figure I'm going to use most of a tube, kind of take up this space here. We've got really, really nice coverage here. There's only just a couple of little spots that might need a little extra. But yeah, so that's the plan. Let's go with it. I'm finding more and more I'm cutting off like a massive chunk of the nozzle at the end, because really I'm not doing precision tubing right here. I'm just dumping it out and working it with my hands. So that's why it's cut like that. And I've got my spoon at the ready with soapy cold water. Away we go. Okay, so we're going to extend the silicone up this way so we can also get these bits anchored nicely in. Alrighty, away we go. Alright, so the edges have all had some silicone on them. I think that does the bottom of the tail. Alrighty, so there we go. That is, I believe, 4 tubes of silicone on the bottom part of the mermaid fin. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm liking how this is going. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we shoot out the next video. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.